Here's how to use Cash App for beginners. First, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app, then create an account using your phone number or email address. Follow the prompts to enter your name, address, and any other required details. Some features, such as ordering a Cash App card, may require identity verification. Once you're signed in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and open linked banks. Add your debit card or bank account so you can send, receive, and withdraw money. You can also link a credit card, but keep in mind that credit card payments may include a fee. Cash App automatically gives you a unique dollar cash tag, which works as your username. Share it with others so they can easily send you money. To send money, enter the amount on the home screen. Tap Pay, then enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email address. Add an optional note. Choose your payment method if needed, and confirm the payment. To request money, enter an amount, tap Request. Add a note if you'd like, select the recipient, and send the request. If someone sends you money, you can transfer it to your bank by selecting your balance and tapping Cash Out. Choose either the free standard transfer, which takes a few business days, or an instant transfer for a small fee. Cash App also offers additional features like the Cash App card, direct deposit, Bitcoin and stock investing, paper money deposits at supported stores, and an activity tab where you can review all of your transactions. That's all for this video. Thanks.